How to remove private tab on Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on All Tabs. You can view all your open tabs over here. Go to the Private section at the bottom. Private browsing adds additional privacy protections for tabs. Then, close the tab as shown. After you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history or your autofill information. Now, go back and open up the Settings app. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Over here, turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions switch. On this page, you can manage content, apps and settings. Go to App Store, Media, Web and Games. From here, scroll down and go to Web Content. Select Limit Adult Websites. This limits access to many adult websites automatically. You can also choose or add in the websites that you want to always allow or never allow. Following these steps, you can easily remove private tab on Safari on iPhone.